What's up, everybody? Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have a 347 cubic inch stroker motor. Just got done making some beautiful power on the dyno here. Got the Sniper 2 on here with the Hyperspark distributor. Black block, AFR cylinder heads, Edelbrock air gap on here. If you have any questions about any of our packages, do not hesitate to give us a call. We'll be here to help throughout the whole way, throughout the whole build. And 1-800-267-3940.